My name is Linda Orwig, and I am the office manager. Prior to signing up to Connected View, it was a really big issue for us. We had to depend on the drivers to call in, or we had to wait for trucks to come in for scheduled services. And at that time, we would see the check engine lights or that the truck had an issue. It seemed like a really good program throughout for the entire fleet to keep it well maintained, not just for the emergencies, but just general maintenance of the vehicles. And Bergey's has always given us outstanding service. They go above and beyond what their job possibly could be. I know I've called and it's been after hours. They have responded and aided us in helping to get our truck to a nearby dealer, whether it be here close in Pennsylvania or whether it's further out. Then they've been very supportive of us.